Hello everyone. Welcome to an interesting episode of Kaise PC. If you want to upgrade your PC to Windows 11, watch this video till the end. Your home screen will look exactly like this once you installed Windows 11. Except the date and time widget I will do another video about. Firstly, you should open your Google Chrome. Then type in Windows 11 Update. Click on the first link. There are three options offered by Microsoft. First one is, if you already have an existing Windows 10, please go for Windows 11 Installation Assistant. If you want to perform a reinstall or clean install of Windows 11 on a new or used PC, go for Create Windows 11 Installation Media. If you want to create a bootable Windows installation device, you can go for Download Windows 11 Disk Image. The download will start immediately after you open the downloaded installation file. Your PC may restart several times, but it's normal. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel.